Hello students, welcome to Kanakkiyal Thoondal. In this video, we are going to discuss TN State Board Class 12 Business Maths Exercise 10.3. Question number 1. The question is, given the following payoff matrix in rupees for the 3 strategies and 2 states of nature. Select a strategy using each of the following rule, max-min and min-max. First of all, we have 3 strategies here in which we are going to choose any one of them, and for each strategy we have 2 different states of nature, E1 and E2. So what is max-min principle? So according to maxi-min principle, we have to take the minimum value for state of nature for each strategy. Then among those values we have to take maximum. For example, so if I consider strategy 1, if E1 happens, its output, its payoff is 40, and for E2 the payoff is 60. So minimum among them is 40, and for S2 minus 20, and for S3 minus 40. So the maximum of these values, maximum of 40 minus 20 minus 40 is 40, which is of first strategy. So according to max-min principle, the best strategy is S1 here. Similarly, what do we mean by min-max principle? Second one, minimax principle. So min-max stands for minimum among the maximum values. So for each strategy I am going to take the maximum state of nature payoff. For S1 the maximum is 60, and for S2 the maximum is 10, and for S3 the maximum is 150. So if I take minimum among these values, 60, 10, 150, which is nothing but 10 here, which is of S2. Therefore according to minimax principle, the best strategy is S2. Then question number 2, the question is, a farmer wants to decide which of the 3 crops he should plant on his 100-acre farm. The profit from each is depending on the rainfall during the growing season. The farmer has categorized the amount of rainfall as high, medium and low. His estimated profit for each is shown in the table, which is the given payoff matrix. If the farmer wishes to plant only one crop, decide which should be planted according to max-min strategy and minimax strategy. First of all, max-min. According to max-min strategy, we have to take minimum values for each of the strategies available here. Then we have to choose maximum among them. Maximum strategy stands for maximum among the minimum values of each act. If we listen carefully, these high, medium, low are states of nature. These crop A, B, C are only acts here. So we can't choose high, medium, low rainfall things. We can choose either A, B or C only. So for this matrix, we should not take the minimum or maximum values row wise, we have to take column wise. Why? Because these are the acts here. These are the possibilities of our decision taking. So I need to calculate minimum column wise here. So the minimum value here is 2000, and for B it is 3500 and for C it is 4000. Now I have to take maximum among these values. So maximum of 2000, 3500 and 4000. So the maximum of these three values is nothing but 4000, which is the crop C. So what can we conclude here? According to Maximin, the best strategy is crop C. And second one, using min-max principle, using mini-max principle. Now we have to take maximum first, then we have to go for minimum, because our mini-max stands for minimum among the maximum values. So if I take maximum for each crop, it will be 8000 for A and 5000 for B and 5000 for C. So if I take minimum among 8000, 5000 and 5000, which is nothing but 5000 here. So according to this principle, according to mini max, the best strategy can be B or C. He can plant B or C, but personally I will prefer C only again, because the worst case is 4000 actually, but in B the worst case is 3500. So according to this principle, mathematically the best strategies are B or C. Then question number 3, the question is, the research department of Hindustan Limited has recommended to pay marketing departments to launch a shampoo of 3 different types. The marketing types of shampoo to be launched under the following estimated payoff for various levels of sales. We have 3 different shampoo varieties: egg shampoo, clinic shampoo and deluxe shampoo, and estimated sales are 15,000 units, 10,000 units, 5,000 units. What will be the marketing manager's decision if maximin and minimax principle applied? First, maximin. So maximin principle stands for maximum among the minimum payoffs of each acts we have here. The acts are here: egg shampoo, clinical shampoo and deluxe shampoo. So what we have to do is, in our payoff matrix we have to take minimum value first of all. So minimum value for minimum payoff for egg shampoo is 10 and clinic shampoo is 5 and deluxe shampoo is 3. So now we have to take maximum among these values. So maximum of 10, 5, 3, which is equal to 10. Therefore, according to our maximin principle, the best strategy is, that is the best shampoo to decide, is egg shampoo. Egg shampoo. Second, using minimax strategy. So minimax strategy. So minimax stands for minimum among the maximum values. So we have to take maximum for each shampoo, which are 30, 40 and 55. So among these, minimum of 30, 40, 55 is nothing but 30 here. So we have to take maximum value for each shampoo. Among those maximum values, if we take minimum, it is 30. Again it is egg shampoo. Therefore, according to Minimax strategy, the best shampoo variety which can be manufactured is nothing but egg shampoo again. So we can recommend the company, or we can recommend the marketing manager to choose egg shampoo rather than Clinic and Deluxe, so as to get the better payoff. Then question number 4. The question is, following payoff matrix, which is the optimal decision under each of the following rule: max, min and minimax. We have 4 different acts here, and for each act we have 4 different states of nature. We have to select the best act according to max, min and minimax. So first, max, min. So what is max, min strategy or max, min principle? We have to choose the minimum value, minimum payoff value for each act. Among those minimum values, we have to take maximum. So maximum stands for maximum among minimum values. Now, for each act here, what is the minimum value? For A1, the minimum value is 5. For A2, it is 7. For A3, it is 9. And for A4, it is 8. So if I take maximum among these values, 5, 7, 9 and 8, which is 9 here, which stands for act 3. So according to maximum strategy, the best act to choose is A3 here. Second, minimax. So minimax stands for minimum among the maximum values. Means we have to take maximum for each act, then we have to go for minimum among them. So the maximum payoff value for act 1 is 14, and for act 2 it is 11, and for act 3 it is 11, and act 4 it is 13. So the maximum, the minimum among 14, 11, 11, 13 is 11 here. So according to minimax principle, the acts A2 and A3 are the best alternative acts here. Okay students, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.